Hello friends, Namaste and welcome. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at Oliveboard platform. So today I am going to discuss about the mock analysis RRB NTPC live mock test analysis of the quant section. So we are going to see how we have to solve the problems of the quant which you probably took or you have already tried in the last weekend when you took the test for RRB NTPC All India level mock, right? So this is free. So if you have not attempted, so try to attempt. This is going to be conducted on every weekend, right? So we are going to start for the quant section discussion, right? So first question is on your screen. I am making it large for you, right? So tell me what is the answer for this question. First question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying the distance covered by a car is d minus 4 hours is 2d square minus 7 if the speed of the car is 31. See, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, right? So we can say that speed into time is equal to distance. Yes. So what is the speed? Speed is 31, right? So 31, what is the time? Time is d minus 4, right? And that must be equal to 2d square minus 7, right? Either solve this. So this will become the quadratic equation, right? So whenever you get quadratic equation in one day competitive exam, right? So go by choice, right? So by option. So do this question by option, right? So in option we are having the value for d. So if we take d is equal to 7, right? If I take d is equal to 7, right? So tell me, is it possible if I take d is equal to 7, right? So if I take 7, so it will become 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 3. 3 into 3, so unit digit here will be 3, right? So here what will be the unit digit? See, 7 square 49, right? 9 into 2, 8. 8 minus, so unit digit is 1, means first option is not correct. If I take 11, right? So 11 minus 4, how much? 7. So unit digit is 7 here, right? So 11 square 121, 1 into 2, 2. 12 minus, so here we will get 5, right? So this is not possible. Again, if we take 9, d is equal to 9, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 into 5, unit digit is 5, right? If I take 9, 9 square, again, so 1 into 2, 2. So 12 minus, so here we are getting the same unit digit, right? So we can say that d is equal to 9. So 9 is the right answer, okay? So we are not going to solve completely. If you want to solve it, so you can solve it, right? So you can transfer, you will get 2d square minus 7, right? And minus 31d and plus 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12, right? Is equal to 0, right? So you have to solve this quadratic equation. 2d square minus 31d and plus this will become 117, right? Okay, so you can break it by middle term approach, right? Middle term break approach. So minus 13d minus 18d plus 117 is equal to 0, right? Taking d common, so 2d minus 13, taking 9 common, right? So 2d minus 13 is equal to 0. So after solving you will get 2d minus 13 bracket d minus 9 is equal to 0. So you will get d is equal to 6.519, right? So which one is matching? Only 9. So if you want to solve the quadratic equation, you can. So better approach, go by option, right? Go by option is the best way. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Which one is the next? See, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. One of the very good question. Please try it and solve it. Yes. See, in the following figure, AB is equal to 1 centimeter, AC is equal to 2 centimeter, right? So AB is what? AB is here, right? So AB is equal to 1 centimeter and AC is equal to, AC complete is 2 centimeter, right? And AD is the bisector. AD is the bisector. See, do you know the property of angle bisector? If I say that ABC is a triangle and AD is the angle bisector, right? So we know that angle bisector divide the opposite side, or we can say third side, in the same ratio, in which ratio? The ratio of the side which is making that angle, right? It means that AB is equal to 1 and this is 2. So the ratio is 1:2. So the ratio of BD and CD is going to be 1:2, right? Is this clear? So AB upon AC, angle bisector property, we can say that BD is equal to CD, right? So that is going to be 1/2, right? What is the ratio of the area of triangle BDE? See, triangle BDE, this one, triangle, see, triangle BDE, this one triangle, right? And the ECD, see, ECD. See, when we have two or more than two triangle where the height is same, so their area will be in the same ratio of their base, right? In the same ratio of base, in the same ratio of base. बात समझ में आ रही है? See, this is the right angle triangle. If I say that, see, E, C, D and B, right? Clear? So we can say that the height for both triangles is same, right? So their area will be in the ratio of BD is to CD, BD is to CD, right? If the base is different but the height is same, so their area will be in the same ratio which is in the base, right? So we can say that here the area for both the triangle would be equal to, the base ratio is how much? 1:2, right? So we can say that their area would also equal to 1:2, right? So the answer would be 1:2, right? So 1:2 is the right answer. I hope this is clear. So A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, how many numbers are irrational? How many numbers are irrational? Irrational is what? If a number is irrational, it means it is in the form of √2, √3, √5, √7. So these are the irrational, right? If we get such kind of form, so we can say that they are irrational. So we have to calculate 6 root of, see, 6 root of 2187, right? So we are not getting 6 root of this, so this is the irrational number. The fifth root of this, right? 4096. So this is the fourth root of something, right? But not the fifth root. So again this is irrational. So here we will get the complete root, right? Here we will get what? Complete root. 28 into 23 minus 283. So we will get 361, right? So here we will get 19. Sorry, here we will get 19. So 19 is the rational number, right? So here we'll also get number in root, right? Because we are having √2, right? Got the point? Or here we are having √5, right? So not able to calculate completely. So this is also an irrational number. So this is also irrational number, right? Because we can break it 2 into 2401, right? So we will have root 2, right? So we can say that out of 5, so 4 numbers are irrational. 4 numbers are irrational. So C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. I think probably this is clearly understood, right? Clear? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, what is the LCF of, when we have algebraic expression, right? So LCF is the number which is completely going to divide it completely, right? LCF is a number which is completely going to divide both the expression, right? If completely divides, so it means that number is becoming the factor, right? So we are going to put all the factors as equal to, if I suppose that x minus 1 is the factor, so we can say that if x is equal to 1, so the remainder must be 0, right? It means after putting the value x is equal to 1, we must get 0, right? So if I put 1, right, so 1 cube 1, so 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6, we are not getting 0, it means this is not possible. If x plus 1 is a factor, so we are going to put it equal to 0, right? Here we will get x minus 1. If I put x minus 1, then what I'm getting, so I will get minus x cube minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 6, right? So I will get here minus 1 square positive, right? So I will get minus 4. So minus 1 plus 6, right? So minus 6 plus 6. So I will get here 0, right? So check for this. Minus 1 cube minus 1 minus 10 and minus plus, right? So minus 8. So here we also get 0. So we can say that B part is the right answer. So x plus 1 is the factor, right? X plus 1 is the factor. So in algebraic expression, what you need to do, whatever is the factor, just put that factor is equal to 0, right? And take the variable value and put that variable value in the given expression or equation. So whatever you will get, whether you are getting 0 or any number, if you are getting any number, so that is the remainder. Okay, that is the remainder. So moving to next question. Question number 14. Moving to next question. Question number 14. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, question is saying a car travels a certain distance taking 7 hours in forward journey, right? See, car is taking 7 hours in forward journey. So there is a journey from A to B, right? So this is the forward journey and taking 7 hours, right? So let's say this is the distance D. And during the return, it is going to take how much? So same distance, it is going to take 5 hours, right? But now it has increased the speed. See, if the distance is same, so we can say that ratio of speed is inversely proportional to ratio of time. So we have time, so we can say that the ratio of time is going forward 7, coming back is 5, right? So we can say that 5:7 is the ratio of speed. How much increase? So 2. In actual, it was increased by 12, right? So we can say that 2 is equal to 12 km per hour. How much time? So it is 6 time, right? So what is the original speed? So we can say that 5 into 6, 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour is the original speed, right? 30 km per hour is the original speed. So we can say that D is equal to how much? 7 into 30, right? So we can say that 210. But the question is asking what is the total distance traveled, not the total distance. Total distance traveled is how much? D plus D, that is 2D, right? So 2D is equal to what? 2 into 210. So total distance traveled by the car is equal to 420, right? So 420 is the right answer. We are not having any options, so we can say D part is the right answer. Okay, so don't get confused. Have confidence in yourself, right? Have confidence in yourself. Have confidence in your approach, right? So D part is the right answer. D, dear devil, is the right answer. Yes. So moving forward, yes, moving forward, tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, so this question belong to board mass, right? This question belong to board mass. So can you solve this quickly? So here we are going to use the board mass, right? So what we are going to do, see, first multiply 5 into, sorry, first divide, right? So 20 divided by 4, 4 into 2, right? So here we will get what? First divided by 5, right? So 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 minus 1, 7, right? Into, so 5, 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, right? So division, right? So solve this, this is the complete, right? So by 9, 3 times, 3 divided by 3, 1, 1 into 1, so we can say that 3, right? So 3 plus 1 upon 12 of, right? And then 10. So 7 divided by 49 divided by 7, we will get 7, 7 minus 5. So we will get 2, right? So we can say that 12, 12. So this will be cancelled 1. So we will get 4, right? So here we will get 4. So 7 into 8. Just we can say that 1 upon 4, 2 times. So it will become 14, right? So 14 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes. B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next. Yes, is this clear? So moving to next question number 17. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. See, if a certain sum of money will become 9 times of itself, see, a certain sum of money becoming 9 times of itself in 64 years. If I say that the principal is P, right? If I say that principal is rupees 1, so it is becoming 9 times, right? It is becoming 9. In how many years? 64 years. Now the question is asking in what time it will become 13.5 hours. See, for earning simple interest, so what is the simple interest? 9 minus 1, 8, right? And now how much simple interest is required? So it is required 12.5, right? So 12.5 unit simple interest is required. To earn 8 unit of simple interest, we need 64 hours, right? So how much time? 8 time, right? So we need to earn 12.5 unit simple interest, we need 12.5 into 8. So we need 100 years, right? So simply we can use this concept. So we can say that 100 year is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, 100 plus x percent of 60 is equal to, see, 100 plus x percent of 60 is equal to 100 minus x percent of 160, right? See, 100 cancel, right? So we can say that 0 cancel, by 2 3 time, by 2 8 time, right? So we can say that 300 plus 3x is equal to 800 minus 8x, right? So taking 8x left side, here we will become 11x is equal to 1100, right? So x is equal to 100. So we got x is equal to 100. Now the question is asking x percent of 77. X percent means 100%. See, 100% of 77 means 77, no problem. And 55% of 2x. See, 55% of 2x, 2 into 100, right? So 100 cancel. So here we will get 110. So question is 77 is how much more or less? Now it is less. How much less? So it is less by 33, right? It is less by 33. So we can say that it is less 33 out of 110 into 100, right? So 0 by 3. So we can say that 30% less, right? So not 30%, not. So I think we have committed some mistake. 2x 100 is how much less than see x is equal to 100 है ना. So 100% of 77 is 70, no problem. And how much less than 55? See, 55% of 2x, 55% of 2x, 55 into 2 into 100, 100 cancel. So we can say that 77, 33. Yes, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7, 33. 33 is what percent of 110? Okay. So see, we have done some mistake, I think. So let's check the view solution, right? So here see, I think probably we couldn't understand the question, right? Question is x, see, x% of 77 is how much more or less than 55% of 2x, right? So we got x is what? X is equal to 500 by 11. I think we commit mistake. See, we have done mistake. Yes. See, now solve it again, right? That there is a mistake. See, 11 plus x% of 60 is equal to, see, 100 plus x% of 60, right, is equal to 100 minus x% of 160, right? This is the case. So 100 got cancelled, 0 got cancelled, by 2 3 times, by 2 8 times, right? So here we can say that 300 plus 3x, 800 minus 8x, right? So here we will get 11x, sorry, here we will get 500, right? So this is the mistake, right? So calculation error, right? So just focus on the calculation. So x is equal to 500 by, so we have to calculate x%. See, 500 by 11% of 77 is how much? 0.0007. So it is going to 35, right? And 55% of 2x, right? So 500 divided by 11. Here we will get 0.000 by 11 5 times, right? So here we will get 25, here we will get 50. So how much less? How much less than? Only 15, right? Yes. Now we got the right answer. So 15 is the right answer. Yes. So it was calculation error. So please check it. Okay. Yes. So moving to next question. Yes. Moving to next question. See, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. A shopkeeper marked a box of chocolate 35% above the cost price, right? 35% above the cost price. If the cost price is 100, so we can say that MRP is equal to what? 135, right? And while selling, he offers 4% discount on MRP, and the profit is 444. See, if he offers 4% discount, right? So 4% discount means what? 2 by 25. Is this clear? It means the selling price is what? Selling price is going to be 135 into 23 by 25, right? So we can say that by 5 this is cancelled, 5 5s are 25, and 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are, right? So I think we will get in points, right? Okay. If he offers a 20% discount on the mark price of the box of chocolate, then what will be the profit or loss? Okay. So we can say that simply, See, 27 into 23, just do it. 27 into 23 divided by, or we can say that, see, just do it. 27 and 23, right? So 27 into 3, how much? So we will get 71, right? And here we will get, so 111, 611, right? So we can say that 611 divided by 5, right? So we can say that here we will get 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 0.2, right? So we can say that the difference is how much? Profit is equal to how much? 22.2, right? 22.2 is the profit, right? So the question is saying mark price, the profit is see, the profit is how much? So just compare, profit is 444. So how much time? So it is going to be, we can say 20 time, right? It is going to be 20 time. So what will be the profit when it is going to discount, right? So if shopkeeper provides 20% discount, it means selling price is what? 80%, right? So 135 into 80%, right? So 0 0 by 2, 4 times, 5 times, 5 to the, so 27 into 4, so we will get 108, right? 108. So now the profit is how much? 100. So we can say 8 unit, right? So what will be the profit or loss? So here the profit is, see, CP is 100. So the profit is what? Profit is going to be 8 into what? 20, right? So we can say that 160 is the right answer, right? So see how we can calculate it. So 160 is the right answer. Yes, 160 is the right answer. I think this is clear. Yes. Okay. So moving forward. Yes. Moving forward. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, very easy question. Yes. So here we got the very easy question. If I say that, see, the ratio of the two number is 3:4. If I say that let the first number is 3 and second number is 4a. So we can say that LCM is going to be 3 into 4 into a. So that is equal to 168, right? So a is equal to what? So we can say that by 4 this is cancelled, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, and by 3 it is cancelled, 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12, right? So we can say that HCF is equal to 14. 14 is the right answer. Okay. So easy question. Yes. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Question number 26. Again, very good question. See how we can solve this. So we can solve this by many ways, right? It depends our skill and knowledge. If we know the value of cos 15, so we can solve this with the help of 15-degree angle, right? If we don't know, so we can write it like cos, right? See, cos 60 plus 45 degree, right? And cos, we can write 15 as 60 minus 45, right? So 60 minus 45, right? Plus cos, we can write this 180 plus 60, right? So we know that cos C plus cos D formula, right? That is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2, right? So we are going to apply here cos C plus cos D. So this is the complete C and this is D, right? So we will get here 2 cos. Adding both, 25 will be cancelled. So 60 plus 60, 120 divided by 2. So we will get 60. And we will take the difference, 90 divided by 2, 45, right? Okay. So plus cos. See, this is going in third quadrant. So in third quadrant cos is negative, so minus cos 60, right? So just take the value. See, what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, right? And what is the value of cos? 1 upon 2. Okay, so 2 cancel, LCM is what? Take your LCM, 2 root 2, right? So we can say that 2 minus root 2 divided by 2 root 2. So 2 minus root 2 divided by 2 root 2, B part is the right answer. Very, very easy. B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. See, 3x is to y is equal to 6 is to 5. 2y is to z is equal to this. Then which of the following is correct? So for this we have to calculate first what is the value for x, y, z. So we can say that from the first, see, from the, just making a large it, see, from the first we can say that 3x is to y is equal to this, right? So we can say that by 3 this is cancelled 2 times. So we can say that x upon y is equal to what? X upon y is equal to 2 by 5, right? I think this is very much correct. By 2 we can cancel it 2 times. So we can say that y upon z is equal to 2 by 3, right? So making y equal. So here we are multiplying by 2 by 5, right? So we will get what? So we will get x is to y is equal to z as 4 is to 10 is to 15, right? 4 is to 10 is to 15. See, now we are going to check x is to y is to z. Not matching. A is not the right answer. See, 2x is to y plus z. Y plus z. See, 2x. So y plus z is what? Y plus z is 25, right? See, 25 and 2x, it is going to be 8, right? So not possible, not matching. Okay, 4y is 40. Okay, z minus x is 11, right? So 40 is to 11, matching, right? Left hand side matching right hand side. So we can say that C part is the right answer. Again, very simple question. So C part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, see, Mohan can finish a piece of work in 25 days. Mohan alone can complete it in 25 days. He worked for it for 5 days and Sohan finished the remaining work in 20 days. It means they are also taking 25 days, right? So 5 days work done by Mohan. So we can say that, so 20 days work of Mohan is going to be done by Sohan, and Sohan is also completing the remaining work in 20 days. So we can say that the efficiency of Mohan is equal to Sohan. That is going to be 1:1, right? 1:1. Mohan alone can complete the work in 25 days. So we can say that total work is how much? 1 into 25. So 25. Now the question is Sohan and Mohan working together. So total time taken by Mohan and Sohan together is 25 divided by 2. So we can say that 12.5 days is the right answer. Yes, 12.5 days is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. I think this is very much clear to you all. Okay, so my dear friends, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, see, when the base is same or height is same, right? When we have two parallel line, it means the height of same. Between the two parallel line, perpendicular distance or perpendicular height is same for all, right? So when we have triangles between the parallel lines, it means their height is going to be same. If the height is same, see, remember this, if height is same, in that case the ratio of area of triangle is going to be ratio of their base. Simple. So we know that BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR, right? if this is x, this is also x, it means their area would be equal. Their area would be equal. So we know that PQR, see PQR is equal to 10. So PQR, if this area is 10 square, 10 centimeter square, so this area will also be 10 centimeter square, because base ratio is same, right? Height is also same. So if BC is equal to 5, if this is equal to 5, then what is the height? So simply 1 upon 2 into base into height is going to be 10, right? So we can say that h is equal to what? 5, 2 times 2 into 2, so 4. 4 is the right answer. Height is going to be 4, right? Yes, 4 is the right answer. 4 is the right answer. So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. See, again very interesting question, right? Again very interesting question. So what you can do, you have to calculate the value for large angle, right? So whenever we get larger angle, so we try to break it either in multiple of 90, 180 or 360 as per our suitability. So we can write it cot 360 into 7, 360 into 7 minus 30, right? And we can write this minus sec 360 into 6 plus 60, right? So check it whether we can write it or not. So yes, we can write it like this, 7 into 360 minus 30, right? So we know that at a multiple of 360 there is no change in the name, right? So it is going to be in complete 1, complete 2, complete 7 and minus, so it is going to be in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cot is negative, right? So minus cot 30, right? So value of this is minus cot, right? So it is going in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive, right? So we can say that minus sec 60, right? So value for minus cot 30 is how much? Minus root 3. Sec 60 is 2. So taking minus common, right? So we can say that yes, taking minus common, so root 3 plus root 2 minus bracket root 3 plus 2. So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes. Moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Again very good question from algebra. We must know that how we can get it, right? So we can get it just multiplying A plus B into AQ plus BQ. If we multiply this, so we will get what? We will get A to the power 4, A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4, right? And plus AB bracket A square plus B square. Got the point? Yes. So we will get this function. Yes. Is this clear? See, here we know A square B square. So we can say that A plus B is equal to what? Root A square plus B square plus 2AB. I think this is very much clear. So we can say that A plus B is equal to what? Root A square B square is what? 5, right? AB is 2. So right, so we can say that square root of 9 is 3, right? So simply we can say that the value for A plus B, see, A plus B is going to be 3, right? So A plus B is 3, right? And AQ BQ is how much? 9 is equal to A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus AB is 2. A square B square how much? 5, right? So we can say that the value for A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 is equal to 9 into 3, 27 minus 10, right? So this is going to be 17, right? So 17 is the right answer. Yes, 17 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A Aravali Hills is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Again very easy question. Yes, again very easy question. Yes, See, this is the square root of what? This is the square root of 63, right? And this is the square root of 35, right? So just adding this, so how much we will get? We will get 6, 9, 2, 1 plus 35, and this is the square root of 36, right? 36 plus 35, so we can say that 71 is the right answer. How we have to calculate the square root? So if you want to calculate, if you want to understand, just check out the foundation batch, right? So we have step by step, we have made the clear each and everything from 0 to top level in foundation courses, right? Or there are various foundation videos available, or we can say freely available at app only, right? So you can download the app of the Oliveboard and check there, right? So moving to next question, because we cannot say each and everything, or we cannot teach each and everything in mock discussion, right? So moving to next question, moving to next question, tell me what is the answer of this question. The question is saying, which of the following statement is correct, right? Which of the following statement is correct? Profit on the article 25% if the selling price of the article is rupees itne, the cost price of the article is this, right? So we can say that 125% of this, right? So it is correct. When you will calculate, you will correct, right? If a person bought an article rupees 816 after getting 2 successive discount, right? 2 successive discount, then mark price of the article is this, right? So single percent discount is how much? Minus 15, minus 20, minus 35, right? So plus, so here we will get, so minus 32%. It means that, so we can say that this is equal to how much? 68%, right? 68%. Yes. Is this clear? Yes. Okay. So we can say that both statement is correct. C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer. See, sum of the three numbers in GD in GP is 38, right? If the sum is 38, it means the sum of all number must be 38, right? So here we have what? We have 38, right? Here we have sum of the number is 20 plus, so here we have 33, right? Not possible. So sum of the number is what? So here we have 20, so 34, right? Not 38. Here we also have 34, right? Got it? So we can say that only A is correct. Just checking the addition of the number, we can write the answer, right? If you want to solve it in detail, the product of this, see, product of three numbers which are in GP, right? So we can say that one number is, or we can say middle is going to be the arithmetic mean, right? So that is A. So first number is, the ratio is same. So we can say that the third one is what? AR. Is this clear? So we can say that the product of this, right? Product of this, so A upon R into A into AR must be equal to 1728, right? So RR cancels, so AQ must be 1728, right? So A is equal to what? A is equal to 12, right? A is equal to 12, okay? So now we can calculate what is the common ratio, right? Or we can solve this, okay? So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, very interesting question. See, very interesting question. See, we have to calculate the area of the blue portion. Blue portion means area of circle. Area of circle minus area of square. Area of square. If area of circle minus area of square. See, area of circle minus area of square. Okay. So we know that see, the perimeter is 40. So we can say that side of square is how much? 10. If the side is 10, so we can say diagonal is what? Side root 2, 10 root 2. So the radius of the, so we can say that radius of the circle is how much? 5 root 2. So we can say that area is 5 pi into 5 root 2 square minus 10 square, right? Simply. So 20. So we have to take 3.14 into 25 into 2, 50 minus 100. So here we will get 157 minus 100. So 57 is the right answer. Okay. So B part is the right answer. Again, very easy question. Yes. Again, very easy question. So moving to next question. Yes. See the median of the observation. If we have to calculate the value for P, so we can say that P is going to be what? P is going to be what? 48 into how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 37, 62 plus 26 plus 43. Or by observation we can say that, see, the mean is what? 48, and the numbers are, we have 3 numbers are below than 48 already. See, first number, second number and third number. So we can say that the value of P definitely more than 48. So just by observation we can say that, and we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So nth term is the median. So we can say that the third term is the median. So which one is the third term? 43. So 43 is the right answer. So by observation, by common sense, we can also solve this. If you want to calculate the value for P, so you can calculate. So you will definitely get the value for P more than 48, right? More than 48. So you will get here, that is 72, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, you have to understand the table first, right? Find the difference between the amount received by A and B in year 2022. See, bonus is this, A and B in the year 2000. So A and B, so difference. See, following table shows the salary of ABC percentage of bonus given to them. Find the difference between the total amount received by A and B. Total amount received by the A and B is what? See, the salary is bonuses, right? So we can say that difference is how much? A and B difference. So bonus is how much? Bonus is 10% of this. So we will get 4 to 0, right? 0. And here the bonus is going to be 0, 0, 250 into 15. So we can say that 250 into 10. See, 250 into 15, right? So 0, just 3750, right? So we have to calculate the difference. See, we have to calculate the difference. So difference is how much? So we can say that the difference is going to be, table shows the salary of ABC bonus given to them in various years. Okay. So find the difference of the total amount received by A in the year 2022 and B in the year 2022. So we can say that the difference must be equal to 17,000 plus 0.54, right? So 17,450, right? So B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Okay. So difference between the salary and difference between the bonus, simply. Okay. So moving to next question. See, out of the 5 number whose average is 36, first, see, very easy question. See, the first number is 1/5 of the sum. So the first number is A. So this is equal to 1/5 of the sum of last B plus C plus D plus E, right? So we can say that sum of A plus B plus C is equal to 5A, right? So we can say that the sum of A plus B plus C plus D plus E is given by A plus 5A. We can say 6A. Yes. So we can say that 6A divided by 5 is equal to how much? 36, right? So 6 6 is 36. So A is equal to what? 30. So the first number is 30. 30 is the right answer. If you apply the common sense, you can solve this question in just few seconds, right? So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the manufacturer gains 15%. Okay. Wholesaler dealer gains 25%, retailer 35%. Then find the cost production of the chair, the retail price of the, if see, let the cost price is X, right? So we can say that the selling price from the manufacturer point of view, from the seller point of view 125%, and from retailer 135%, right? So this is going to be equal 1565, right? So just after solving this we have to calculate. So there is no option, right? So we have to check it anyhow. So we can say that after solving A is equal to, I think, 806, right? So 806 is the right answer. So we can check it. Yes, 806 is the right answer. Yes, we are right. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, A and B together can complete a piece of work in 8 days, right? A and B can complete in 8 days. B and C can complete in 12 days. LCM is what? 24, right? So what is the efficiency? Efficiency is 8 3 ja 12. B 3, right? 12 2 ja 24, right? So A is working for, see, A is working for 4 days. B is working for 6 days and C is working for 11 days. We are just making their time equal, right? So A plus B working 4 days. So B is getting 2 days. B and C for 2 days. Now C is alone going to work 9 days, right? So we can say that A and B together can complete 3 unit work, right? So in 4 days they will complete only 12 work, right? B and C in 2 days will complete 4 work, right? So we can say that 12 plus 4 minus 16, right? So we can say that C is going to complete 8 unit of the work, sorry, 16, yes. So C is going to complete 8 by 9, right? So efficiency of the C is 8 by 9. So in what time C alone can complete the work? So C would alone complete the work 24 divided by 8 by 9, right? So we can say that in 27 days, right? In 27 days, C will complete the whole work. Yes, C will complete the whole work in 27 days. So C is the right answer. Moving to next question. So again, this is the DI question, very simple question, right? So the new number of boys who took admission in 2025 and 2027, right? Boys 2025 2027. So we can say that 2015 and 2017 together is what percent more or less than new girls took admission in 16 and 18, right? 16 and 18. So number of girls, simply we can say that here is the difference is see, we can calculate it by the boxes, right? So we have 5 5 10 or 5 15 and see, it will take time, right? So we can view the solution. See, we have to take the data. Okay, so 5% is the right answer. Simple. 70 plus 20, and this is the simple percentage question, right? 190 and 200. So 10% is of 200, right? So it is equal to 5%, right? So moving forward, yes, Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, again I told you this is the expression is divided by x minus 2, right? So just put x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2, right? So after putting x is equal to 2, we must get the remainder 37. So we can say that 2 to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 2 to the power 2 into 3 into k square into 2 plus k is equal to how much? 37, right? We must get the value of 37, right? So after doing this, we will get the value for k is equal to 5 by 6. After solving this, we will get this, right? So C part is the right answer. Yes. So moving to next question and last question of today. See, Ria borrowed 5,200 from her friend and returned in 2 equal installment of 8%, right? 2 equal installment of 8%. So how we are going to do it? 8% is equal to 2 by 25, right? So we can say that principal and installment ratio. Put like this: 25 plus 2, 27. Here first 25 to the power 2, 25, right? So installment are equal. So we can say that 729. Just make it equal, right? So 729 because equal in installment, right? So just multiplied by 27. 27 into 20, 25. So we will get how much? So we will get 25 into 20, 500 or 175. So 675, right? And 625, right? So here we will get what? 0, 0, 13, right? So 13 is equal to how much? 5200. So how much time? 4 times. So we can say that the installment will also be 4 times. So into 4, right? So 9 4 the 36, right? So we can say that 9 4 the 36, 6, 8, 1, 16, right? So 16 only in option A, right? So 2916 is the right answer. Okay, so we can solve this like so. Here is the solution for All India RRB NTPC mock test for the quant section, right? If you want to prepare, see, the test paper was really good, right? It was moderate level test, and you must understand how to solve all these questions, right? If you want to learn each and every approaches which I used in solving the question, right? So you have to check out our foundation batch or our crash course batch, right? So for this you need to visit our website, right? So you need to visit our website. See, when you will go to our website, see, just visit to the Oliveboard website. So you will get interface like this, right? So you will get interface like this. Just cross it. You have to check the courses. Just click on the courses section, right? So you will get first, there is a very fresh batch, SSC CGL tier 2 revision plus practice course, right? If you are targeting tier 2 exam, right? So this is the very best batch. Through this batch you can not only revise your syllabus, but also you can have a good command over the right approaches which you need to learn, you need to apply in the exam hall, so that you can boost your confidence, so that you can brush up your preparation, right? So this is all. And if you want to prepare for foundation classes, so just scroll down, you will get English medium courses. Here we have SSC foundation course 3.0, right? If you are targeting for the next year, so you can check it out, this batch, right? SSC score booster for CGL tier 2, I already told you. 40 days MCQs batch already running. If you are preparing for the CVT 1, CVT 2, yes, we have batches for railway also, right? So you need to check it out, all these things, right? So this is all for today from my side. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Just stay tuned with us and come live at 5 p.m. on 5 p.m. sharp on daily basis, and I discuss very good questions and approaches. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind.